I'm Papa the Sailor Man. Toot toot. Kumusta mga people? Sorry if I'm late, but I'm doing a reaction to BtoB's Beep Beep. So let's go check it out. I love you, Panda. In 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh, it's like a hot rod car, like a Hot Wheels car. What is that? It's a Korean. Ooh. Damn that jumpsuit. Where's the street? I don't see street. Yeah, goodbye. Annyeong. Look at all those rims. They don't have gold rims though. Oh, the car fanatics be like, oh snap! What inches? How many inches? 16s, 18s? You got them? Yeah, yeah, yeah. One kind of. All right, in Asia, it's like the other side. I forgot. I like all those rims. I like the top and the third to the top, right there. Third. I don't even know. Third from the left. Bang bang. Bang bang. Oh. Accident. You got to an accident. Oh, they're gonna make out for a second. Like, oh no. Couples outfits, much. Oh my. Whoa. No, guys. No, enough. Oh. Broke the dance right after that. Oh. Where are these girls? Import models. Oh. Not to from cars to a classy piano. Okay. Falsetto. There we go. And back to the scene. I miss import car racing, even though I wasn't in it. I was just a passenger, but it's okay. So that's how you say it in Korean. Oh, that's cute. That's how you say it in Korean. Bam bang instead of beep beep. I want to ride in one of those. That seems cool. Going down the street with that. Epic. Boss, look at them. The mini riders. That's what I'll name them. Isn't that Rain's move? Crack my finger. You have parked on up. It's a ticket. I love the feel. You see his face. He's like, oh, I got a ticket. That's my face when I see a ticket. It always sucks when you get a ticket. It's like unexpected, especially parking tickets. You're like, but I. Then you pay like $100, $100-something bucks for absolute garbage. So there you go. But anyway, that's a cute video. It's like funny and quirky. Surprised it's in a car. That's the first time I've seen like a car shop, like import cars. Like the rims, basically saw rims. No trannies, no other parts of the car. Like it's not really a machine shop, of course, like a set, but it's a machine shop in their world. It's a good video. Like nothing out of the ordinary for me. I feel like typical song for some reason. Like it didn't really blow me away. And yeah, I just like the little cars, like the kids cars version. Oh my god, I would ride that down the street so fast. Like yeah, I'll go like 2 blocks down and come back. I'm like, I can't can't do this. If you guys thought the same way, leave it in the comment section below. If you think I'm wrong, also leave it in the comment section below. Like the video, favorite, share, and subscribe to me. Till the next reaction, E.J.A.X. Boing, 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 boing.